Hey guys, today we're doing page 54 and the title of the song is A Friend Like You. So we're still in the G position and it says here that this piece begins with an incomplete measure of 3 counts. So which is right here. If you look at the time signature, it's 4/4, which means there's supposed to be 4 beats in each measure, but the first measure only has 3 beats. And the last measure actually has the remaining beats to complete this measure, and it's right here. Look, you see how the last measure only has 1 beat? Yes, and the first measure only has 3 beats. That is because if you play it from the beginning to the end, and you repeat to the beginning again, you're gonna have 4 beats complete. Okay, so you're supposed to repeat it twice, and while you repeat, you're not supposed to stop, but you're supposed to just play it again. Repeat again. Immediately after you finish playing, you just repeat again. That's what it's supposed to be. And if you look up here, it shows a half rest. So a rest basically means you're not playing anything. You're just when you rest, you sleep, you're not doing anything, right? That's what the rest is. The rest is basically a note, but you can't hear it. You're not playing anything at that particular moment. So this looks like a hat, and it's usually above the lines, above here, and above here, and it's usually above the line. A whole note looks similar to this, but it's just below the notes. So that's the main difference. And a half note has 2 beats, just like a half rest has 2 beats, just like a half note. Okay, so I'm going to play the song, and I'm going to play first just one go, and the second time I'm going to play it slower. So here it goes. Sorry. Okay, so now that I'm done playing the song, I'm going to show you what it sounds like when you play from the last measure into the first measure. So it sounds like a complete measure. So 3 beats, 1 beat equals 4 beats. So I'm going to play from here to here. And I'm going to show you what that sounds like. Okay, so here, this is what it sounds like. Here I go. That's what that sounds like. Let me play it again. That's what that sounds like, okay? So it just keeps going immediately, okay? You just go from here to the beginning. Okay, so I'm gonna play the whole song again, only once, slower, okay? So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, go. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.